Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain about hierarchical key hierarchical key control. So hierarchical key control refers structure of keys or identifiers organized in hierarchical fashion. This is often used in various systems, databases and encryptions. So we will move on to introduction about hierarchical key control. So, introduction to hierarchical key control. Hierarchical key control is a key distribution scenario used in various industries like file systems, database systems, encryption, organizational structures, networkings, and etc. Hierarchical key can be used to represent the structure of data in database. For example, in a hierarchical database, keys are used to navigate through the several of data, such as in XML or no SQL databases. It is also used in encryptions and decryptions, and it involves a hierarchical structure to manage and distribute encryption keys securely. The main goal of hierarchical key generation is to ensure the proper access and control over the sensitive information. Then move on to the key hierarchy in key hierarchical control. So first one, hierarchical key control uses the tree like structure to manage the keys. So it will be consisting of it will be look like a tree like structure, and the root key is at the top of the hierarchy. As we know, the root key always is on the top of the tree, and it is used to generate the sub keys, and the sub keys are derived from the root key and can be further divided into more sub keys. So the mainly the hierarchical key control uses the tree like structure. It consisting root key as well as sub keys. Then key generation in hierarchical key control. So the root key is generated using a strong random number generator. So first the root key can be generated using the random number. Then the subkeys are generated by applying the cryptographic algorithms to the root key. So the subkeys are generated using the root key, and there will be several algorithms to generate the subkeys, generate the subkeys. Then the key generation is one-time process, and it should be performed in a secure environment. In this way, we can generate a key. Then the key distribution in hierarchical key control. So the root key is securely distributed to trust the key custodians. Then each key custodian is responsible for generating and distributing subkeys to lower level custodians. So the key distribution should follow strict security protocol to prevent unauthorized access. So this key hierarchical key control will be followed by security that should not be never be hacked. Then key usage in hierarchical key control. So the subkeys are used for encryption and decryption authentication purposes. So the mainly the subkeys are uses for to encrypt and decrypt the sender and receiver sides. Then each subkey has specific purpose and should be used accordingly. The key usage be logged and audited to ensure the accountability. Then there will be several challenges that facing while we're creating a hierarchical key control, that are establishing and maintaining a secure key distribution infrastructure can be complex. So the key custodians must be careful, selected, and trained to ensure proper key management. So the we should maintain a proper key management and anything they want to need, and regular audits and monitorings are necessary to detect any potential vulnerables. Though the key controls can be used in organization structures. In organization, hierarchical keys can represent the organizational structure. Each department division may have unique hierarchy key within a organization occur. We can also use this in network routings. In network hierarchical addressing schemes like IP address and subnets makes masks are used to organize devices in a network into a hierarchical subnets. And we can use these hierarchical key controls in graph geographic information systems, that are GIS. It can be used to locate the hierarchical manner, such as continents, countries, states, and cities, and etc. And we can use this in access controls. And in access controls, hierarchical keys can be used to grant different levels of access to users and entities before their position or role in the organization. These are some few examples of hierarchical keys that can be applied. Then the where we can practice these hierarchical key controls, that means implementing strong cryptographic algorithms for a key generation and distribution. By using cryptographic algorithms, we can practice these hierarchical key controls and perform regular audits and security assessments to identify and mitigate risks. So we can regularly access monitoring and auditing the by hierarchical key. By we can practice these hierarchical key controls and continuously educate key custodians about their management best practices. Then there are some benefits for hierarchical key control. Using the hierarchical key controls, hierarchical key control provide a structured and scalable approach to key management. It provides a very structured and scalable approach for any key management, including the encryption and decryption, as well as it enhances security by limiting access to sensitive keys to trusted custodians. It will give proper access to any custodians, that means trusted custodians, that means any like subscribed custodians, they will easily can access these keys. Key hierarchy allows for efficient key distribution and management in large organization. It can be used in the distribution of keys in a large organizations as well as. So coming to the conclusion, the hierarchical key control is a reliable and effective method for managing and distributing encryption keys. It provides a structured approach to key management, enhancing security and control. By following best practices and styling elegance, organizations can ensure the integrity of their keys distribution scenarios. So mainly the hierarchical key control can be used for the encryption and decryption purpose, as well as security. The hackers or other third party people does not want to see their data. So that's why they are using the hierarchical key structure. So this is all about the hierarchical key control, and as well as their uses and their benefits and challenges, as well as we discussed in this video. So thank you.